this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 Subaru BRZ, stock number 6302. This ran from the 10th 2021 to the current shape. It has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.